Hello everyone, back again with the one and only Dyan'van. If you haven't subscribed, please do the right thing. Hit that subscribe button, put on the notification bar. It's a different day, a different video. But today we're doing something different, man. Reacting to an old song by Ifani February. As of February, baby. And it's almost February. Like I felt this nostalgia when I thought about the song, dog. So I was like, you know what? Why don't I listen to it with you guys? I haven't listened to it in a long ass time, so it just sparked up my brain. I'm like, you know what, fuck it, let me just do a reaction on it. So yeah, I finally went to February. Fuck this. Back then, this was a good song, dog. I don't know when he dropped this. Hey, fine. Let's see.
Uzofika nini uFebruary sele kusele insuku ezingapi ebusuku andilali ngathi ixesha alihambi uzofika nini uFebruary uzofika nini uFebruary.
I won't lie, I might not even do a proper reaction and probably just sing this motherfucker through from the start to the finish. That's how much I fucking love this song. So yeah, sorry man, sorry.
Uzofika nini uFebruary andikwazi ukulinda uthi naye kuma kafuna undishiya. I'm telling her that I need to be there, she's telling me that I need to be here. Kutheni nginolinda, kutheni nginocinga, ifa ulifuni olusana ngizalugcina. She's telling me that I am not.
This is literally peak Ifani, dog. This is like peak Ifani. I'm getting goosebumps. My hairs are standing up. Dog, fuck. Let's take it back.
Uzofika nini uFebruary sele kusele insuku ezingapi ebusuku andilali ngathi ixesha alihambi uzofika nini uFebruary uzofika nini uFebruary uzofika nini uFebruary andikwazi ukulinda uthi naye kuma kafuna undishiya. I'm telling her that I need to be there, she's telling me that I need to be here. Kutheni nginolinda, kutheni nginocinga, ifa ulifuni olusana ngizalugcina. She's telling me that I am not ready cause ithethe ngathi kulula ukukhulisa umntana. Ndisehotel ndikhangela iroom, ndiserumini ndikhangela ifowuni, ndisefowunini ndikhangela uthando, ndisemathandweni ndikhangela ubomi. Kuthi akazukwazi ukundilinda nje ndibuye ndizobuya obubomi bese nabo bungekho.
Fuck.
Wait.
My boy, let's go.
No the dates.
Dog, even la beat yakhuphuka. It is about like electro. You see, if you listen to electro, you know the most important part in an electro song is the drop. It's the anticipation as it goes up. Then it's the drop. It's the drop at this part. This is what is happening, dog. Listen.
Uzofika nini uFebruary sele kusele insuku ezingapi ebusuku andilali ngathi ixesha alihambi uzofika nini uFebruary uzofika nini uFebruary uzofika nini I'm like baba masima sungama makhe sicinge. She's like baba kudala simile masithi sigqibe. Athi kumzondelela ikhawuleza izophela i-airtime. Plus wena uyavuka ngale bali ekuseni uyabhala. Baba imagine ukupasa kwakho le course yangomso. Ungayi-engineer for u-SAB and unganemoto. Ndiyakwazi uyazithanda imoto. Plus wena uyiphiwe ingqondo. Lo mntana uzayo baba kungcono ndivele ndomkhupha ngomso. Wait.
My boy is like, Ndiyakuva. He impregnated a girl. How I'm interpreting the song, he impregnated a girl while he's in varsity. It's about his final year. He's about to write his final test. He probably already got a job offer. So everything depends on when he passes this test, then he's getting an internship. Like, his future is very bright. But hey, no, if you know me, you know where I stand with with the Métis, but yeah. His goal is like, dog, I don't want to hold you back. I'm going to blame later on in life. Then in life. So I'm just going to abort the baby. Ukwazi when the future is bright, we can always have a baby later on in life. My boy is, no. I want to keep this baby. He's in a hotel. He's running up from the lobby to his room. He wants to call her to tell her, no, man, let's keep the baby. I want this. Yeah, bo. But where he's going to be able to go home, maybe for a holiday or whatever, and maybe convince her face to face. So I'm quite sure February, but for me, February is my birthday. For Nina, it's probably Valentine's. Wow, yeah, y'all. Let's go.
Uzofika nini uFebruary, sele kusele insuku ezingaphi, ebusuku anilali ngathi ixesha alihambi. Uzofika nini uFebruary, wo. Uzofika nini uFebruary, wo. Uzofika nini uFebruary, ngabathena bangazokungena ezulwini. Yo.
Abathena bazongena ezulwini. Abhothileyo. What the fuck? That's so stupid.
Bawo ngabathena bazokushiyeka naye nisenzile ndimyekile ndibethekile andenzanga ngabo. Bawo ngabathena bazokundigxeka emhlabeni. She was supposed to come in February. She was 22. She was supposed to be my baby mama, but she chose to be 22 and not to be a mama. And she said to me, go ahead and chase your dreams, Baba. Benizoyazi njani ntunge nje.
Fucking legendary track by Ifani at his fucking peak, dog. This thing wasn't, I don't know how he did it, but he managed to climb the ladder so fast. From to climb the ladder so fast, become so big. It was mind-blowing, man. It was very mind-blowing, but we were happy for him. That's why his downfall was left a very bitter taste in our mouths, because as people who were his fans growing up, we were like, fuck, every time Ifani drops, we know it's a banger, and then all of a sudden nigga went AWOL, never saw him again. I think I recently saw him, I think a few months back on Podcast and Chill, when Podcast was down here in Port Elizabeth. So yeah, it's crazy, man. So song just brought back a lot of nostalgia, and I can't wait for February. So yeah, uzofika nini February. See you in the next video. Yes sir.